What is the value of tangent 92 pi over 3? We can use Desmos to get the value of this trigonometric ratio. Okay, let me do it in Desmos. That is tangent 92 pi over 3. Here I got the value of tangent 92 pi over 3. That is a negative 1.732. It keeps going. But in the given answer choices, I don't find this value. So the value of this one is given in terms of radical in the given answer choices. Okay, now what we can do is let's convert the values we have over here in the given answer choices in decimal form like this one, so that we can compare the value we got over here for tangent 92 pi over 3 and the value we get for the stuff in the given answer choices. Okay, now let me consider the value we have in answer choice here, that is square root of 3. Okay, so the value of square root of 3 is 1.732. So whatever stuff we have here, the same we have, but here we have negative sign. Here it's a positive value. Okay, now to make this one as negative, what we have to do is we have to take a negative sign in front of square root of 3. Okay, let me do it. Okay, when you take negative square root of 3, its value is a negative 1.732. It keeps going. So the value we have over here for tangent 92 pi over 3 and the value we have for negative square root of 3, both of them are same. So therefore, the value of tangent 92 pi over 3 is equal to negative square root of 3. We find negative square root of 3 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.